Hello friends, if you are from Kolkata and you are searching for the best IAS coaching in your city, then you are at the right place. Well, if you are here, then you must have searched many places for the best IAS coaching institute that you can opt for in Kolkata, and you surely would have come up with a number of names and mixed opinions and reviews about them. That would have must made you more anxious about which coaching to choose and which one to opt to strengthen your preparation for one of the toughest exams in India, the civil services exam. Well, don't worry. Today I am here to pick top 4 coaching institutes that you can opt in Kolkata to make sure that your preparation has no stone unturned. Beginning on with the video, the coaching institute ranking number 1 on our list is Kautilya IAS. If one of my friends would have been going for Judiciary Civil Services exam, Kautilya IAS would have been the ideal suggestion that I would have given. Why? Because of its expert faculties and experience that it holds in mentoring students to crack one of the toughest civil services exam in India. Its salient features are expert guidance, in which expert faculties are available, which emphasize mostly on topics and make sure that you have grasp of all aspects of a topic. Legal judgment or case law is the teaching method that they opt, which is based on recent case law studies. Batch sizes are small so that every student is perfectly focused on. Doubt sessions are held after or during the class so that no doubt is left unattended. And if you are worried about your preparation, then don't worry. Mock tests are also held, which make sure that you are familiar with your strengths and weaknesses. They have many more features, like they offer many courses. For more information on their fee structure or any other query, you can visit them on kautilyaias.com or contact them on the number shown on the screen. Now, moving on with the list, the coaching institute ranking number 2 on our list is the Hindu Zone. Many of us are looking for basic guidance and mentorship as we are confused about our preparation, such as where to start, when to start, how much time we should allot to each topic. Well, don't worry, the Hindu Zone is here to the rescue with its feature like free counseling. Yes, you heard it like. If you want a free counseling, register on their site thehinduzone.com and get in touch with an expert which will clear all your doubts. You can also opt for their paid counseling, which has more additional premium features like AI powered assessment, personalized career counseling, and more. They also have more additional features like they operate in both online and offline mode. They have doubt clearing sessions too, along with mock tests that are held in regular periods of time to make sure that the student is fully prepared. Luckily, a webinar is being conducted by them in which you can get all your doubts answered. So, what are you waiting for? Contact them on the number shown on the screen or visit their site thehinduzone.com. Moving on with our list, the institute ranking number 3 on our list is Plutus IAS. I am sure that many of you would have heard about the name Plutus IAS due to its immensely excellent result in the past few years in the civil services exam. You can see on the screen too. Don't worry, if some of you doesn't know about it, I am here to tell you. Plutus IAS is one of the best coaching institutes available in both online and offline mode. The faculty members here have 10 plus years of experience in guiding and mentoring students to achieve their civil services goal and are themselves passed out from prominent colleges like DU and BHU. The mock tests are conducted here regularly, which are really beneficial in preparation. Now, you might be wondering, what if a doubt pops up in online mode? Don't worry, instant doubt clearance facility is available with chat facility too. Regarding the course fee, their fees is rupees 1 lakh plus GST and the course duration is 9 to 12 months. To know more about them, visit their site plutusias.com or contact them on the numbers shown on the screen. Moving on with the list, the institute ranking number 4th and hence the last of our list is Yojana IAS. Yojana IAS is a name which I surely would have recommended to a friend if he or she was planning to give the civil services exam in Hindi medium, that is in Hindi language, due to its operation in both Hindi medium as well as English medium. It has some immensely qualified faculty members with years of experience in guiding and mentoring students to achieve their goal. Its key features are that NCERT based curriculum is opted here, which is really important as well as helpful in clearing any government exam in India. High quality teaching is provided. The major focus here is on concepts and developing one's analytical ability so that one has grasp on every aspect of a topic. Academic coaches are available where experts guide you personally to according to your strengths and weaknesses. Periodic tests are also held which keep the student in check. So what are you waiting for? Time as well as seats are limited. Go check them out on yojnaies.com or contact them on the number shown on the screen. Hence, this completes our video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe us as we post more informative videos on government exams like this. Don't forget to press the bell icon too so that you get a notification next time we post a video.